So now let's start a meeting by using Zoom. In order to start a meeting by using Zoom, I'm going to first open up the Zoom app. And in order to start the Zoom meeting, I need to sign in first. So I'm going to sign in, and I'm going to sign in with my ID, which I use to register, of course. And then as I press enter, it connects and it is now logged in, as you can see. So to start a new meeting, you go over here and click on the new meeting icon right over here. But before that, you can actually go over here and use different methods to start a meeting right here. But let us go on to the simplest way first. So you can actually start the video right over here onto the beginning. So as you join in, your webcam will be on, but you can actually keep it off and only turn on the webcam when you're ready in the meeting later on as well, which is usually a good choice. So I'm going to keep that off. And to start a meeting, I'm just going to click this icon right over here. And as I click that icon, now you can see that it is connecting onto the meeting room right here. And before I join to the meeting room, it prompts me to join with computer audio. So now I'm just going to click on this. If you want to test your speakers and microphone before you join, you can actually click here, but I'm just going to skip that and join with computer audio. So once you do that, now I'm in the meeting room, and it doesn't seem like I'm in the meeting room because my webcam is turned off, and now it shows the invitation URL, participant ID, which you are to give to other participants so they can join the Zoom meeting. So over here on the bottom left hand side, you can see the microphone. So if you were to click this, it mutes the microphone, and if you were to click this again, then it unmutes the microphone. Whenever the microphone is unmute, you can hold spacebar and it unmutes the microphone temporarily, as you can see. And as I let go of spacebar, you can see that it's mute again. So usually I would like to turn this on. I can also start the video right here, and that actually enables my webcam, as you can see right over here, just like that. So now let's start inviting the other participants right over here. So to invite the other participants, you can see on the information panel right over here. So this is the meeting ID and the password which you are to share to other users, or you can also copy the URL right over here. You can see all the participants from this section right over here, as you can see. And as you click on participants, you have an invite option over here as well. So you can actually click on invite, and you can search through your contacts, or you can copy the URL and send it via an email client. So I copied the URL, as you can see, or I can copy the invitation. Let me just show you how it looks like in a notepad right over here. So if I were to paste this out, you can see that this is how it actually looks like. I can also copy the invitation, and this is how it looks like. So you can send it out in an email. You can also directly go on to the email section right over here and then start working around with it. So you can go onto the email section as well and directly use different mails. So you can just click it and send in an invitation, or you can share the code, the password, whatever you see here, on to different participants right here. So what the other Zoom users have to do is they have to enter that out. So for demonstration, I'm going to use my mobile phone right here and sign in the Zoom meeting by using the key right here. So I'm going to go over here. I'm just going to join it by using my mobile phone. Now I've entered the Zoom meeting ID and the password in my mobile phone, and as I join in, you'll see that I have a different screen pop up. So you can see that right now over here, it says one person is waiting. So as the other people join in, they come in the waiting list. So you simply have to admit them right over here. So once you admit them, they enter the Zoom meeting right over here. And what you can also do is, now you can see that I can actually see the other person right over here. So let me just turn on the webcam. So I'm actually seeing myself through the webcam right now, as you can see, and you can see the other person right over here, just like that. If you want to disable the waiting room right here, you want them to join in the meeting just like that, you can actually go over here, right over here, and click on this icon, and then disable the enable waiting room. So that way they will be able to join the meeting room just like that. They don't have to wait for your permission. So just like this, you can see that now I can see myself right over here. You can also go to the gallery view and you'll be able to see like two views just like this. So you can change the speaker view, the gallery view, and whoever is speaking, their face will be highlighted just like that. As well. So that is how you start a meeting and invite people in. So in next lessons, we're going to see the features of the meetings of Zoom. So I'm just going to end the meeting right now, and this is how you end it. You go over here and meeting for all, and then the Zoom meeting has been ended. So that is how you can start a meeting by using Zoom. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.